Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the BillieBars tailgate cover for our 2020 Jeep Gladiator. So for anyone with a Jeep Gladiator or any sort of pickup truck that has a tailgate, I'm sure you've realized that the tailgates are not smooth. All these ridges make it very hard to keep anything from standing up straight, or in our case, to cook on it easily. When we started building out our overlanding setup, we realized we were going to need a flat surface in order to cook on or to keep our drinks on. So we decided to go with the BillieBars tailgate cover. All right, now let's get started on this super easy install. So for this install, all you'll need is a T30 Torx bit and a PH3 large Phillips bit, and also the included hardware that comes with it. So the first step is to remove the 8 torque bolts on the lower panel and the 2 torque bolts on the upper panel. So once you have the 10 screws removed, you can remove the longer panel from the tailgate and retain it and the screws for future use. So the next step is to take the BillieBars cover and place it on your tailgate. And when you're doing this, try to line up your screw holes. Using the supplied hardware, you'll go ahead and insert all the screws and start them up so it's easier for you in the long run. Using the large Phillips bit, you'll go ahead and screw all the screws down. At this point, I wouldn't get them super tight. I would just get them somewhat tight. And once they're all in, go ahead and completely tighten them down. And just like that, you have the BillieBars tailgate cover fully installed and ready for use. Nice flat surface. If you put your water on it, it won't spill over. This one even has cup holders if you choose to use those. Now for us, our biggest concern when we were building out our overlanding setup was we have the American Adventure Lab slides, and we were concerned that it would impede on the tailgate cover. As you can see, there's still clearance in between the slider and the BillieBars tailgate cover. So before we go, we'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, BillieBars, for hooking us up with the discount on this product. We only choose products that we personally would use on our Jeeps, and we're very excited to get to use this one. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. We'll also leave a link in the description below if you'd like to purchase your own BillieBars tailgate cover. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!